Welcome back to the dot course, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys some arithmetic shortcuts. That's right. So last time we left off with the part 2 of arithmetic operations. Now we're going to do part 3 and the final part. This one's going to be a little interesting. So let's go ahead and create a new dot file and call this 8 underscore arithmetic operations underscore 3. Right, now let's go ahead and create our main method, and let's just start by giving you a recap of how we used to assign variables before. Alright, so let's just go ahead and create one for num1 is equal to 5. Right, now what if I ask you to increment this by 1? Alright, for those who don't know what increment means, it means to add this by 1. So what I mean is to change this to 6, and if this was 6, change it to 7. So how we would do this in this current state is to do something like this: num is equal to num1 plus 1, right? But what if I tell you I've got a small shortcut, which it's not a big shortcut, but then it's gonna save you some time in the long run, right? So here comes the shortcut. So instead of doing all these, just go ahead and do num plus equal to 1. Alright, let's change that. Yeah, so if you see, this line does the exact same thing as this line. So let me go ahead and break this down for you. So we've got num1, and then we've got a plus before equal to, which basically means num1 is equal to num1 plus 1. That's how you gotta read it, right? Don't just go blindly and rush through. So read it in this way. Go ahead and start with num1 equal to num1 plus 1. Alright, so after you're done reading it that way, you're good to go. And employing this shortcut saves you a ton of times to repeat this num1 again. Alright, so it just saves you by one variable name, but then in the long run it helps you. So that's it for this video. And for your challenge, there's absolutely no challenge I can give you based on this, right? So but I just want to point out that this applies for other stuff too. For example, num1 is equal to num1 minus 1, multiplication, division, and mod. Alright, so you've got various ways to do this. Yeah, so let's just go ahead and print it out just to make sure it works. So I'm gonna remove that out and print this one. Right, let's go ahead and run that. As you see, we have 6 plus 1, and that is 7. That's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one.